So good evening. I'm messing with my Oracle box. This is a virtual machine. So you can run different operating systems on the same machine. Will participate or partition your hard disk, I believe. But anyway, so what you need is I put some links in the descriptions. What you need is first you need a virtual environment Oracle box download. That's how I found it. So you go on this website. It's not this one. I put links in the descriptions, but it's a virtualbox.org. It's from Oracle who made it, and here you have the host for the virtual environment. And my host is a Windows, so I will download the Windows. I downloaded it here, and then you install it. Once you have it installed, I'm going to show you how you make a virtual machine. So here I have a virtual machine. I want to let's make a new one. Let me delete this one so I know I have done it right. So I write here new, and I call it Jack's virtual machine. And you can see here it says type. I want to make a Linux Debian. So we go ahead and find Debian 64-bit, Debian 64-bit, and I call it the name here, and I click next. Then I want to put the processors. I put it on 2 processors, whereas it is free. So I put it at 2, and here this is a memory, and I just put it at 8,000 megabit memory. That's your RAM of the computer. I would put it at 8 because that's usually what I put my Linux swap on when I make my own partitions. This is how many gigabyte of the hard disk. So maybe I want to put a little more, but this is my gamer computer, so I leave it at 25 gigabyte. But you can put it at 50 if you want. It's your storage, or actually hard drive storage. So alright, this is finished. I have it here now. So there's nothing on this virtual environment, and there's nothing on it. So what I want to do is I want to add no, I want to go into settings. I want to have a ISO disk to boot from. I need to boot from a disk, and you go into, let's do it again, settings, storage, and then you see this empty here. And then you click on this icon, and I want to choose a disk file. So here I have a few disk files, Linux Mint, Ubuntu, Parrot Security. Let's take a Parrot Security, and I click OK, and now it's booting from that disk. So when I click start here, it's going to boot my Parrot Security. Let's see here. So you can actually, this is also a different, it's a different device. It's a virtual environment. See, now I'm in the so you see now I'm in the, what is it doing, capturing? Okay, you go capture. Okay, but so now I can try and install it, and I have my Parrot on my computer here, on one computer, one hard disk. I myself I use a USB pen. I have a different computer for my Linux computers, but this is very good if you only have one computer, or want to try a specific operating system, or maybe there's other reason. So if you want to turn it off again, you just click close here, and I power off the machine. So I wish you a good day, or good evening, or yeah, goodbye.